friends. So for tomorrow, 22nd of August, we can expect support for Nifty at the area at which it was consolidating whole day today around this channel. So this would be a strong support that Nifty should not break. So around 24,716 is the strongest support that Nifty has, and from here it could rally up to 24,822, which is the resistance for the day. And if the bulls are really powerful, they can take it up to 24,900 and 24,966. So again, the outlook remains bullish till we cross the swing high or the all-time high. And trading below 24,716, if it makes a negative candle, especially in the afternoon session, then we might see a good correction to 24,656 and 24,572 as well. So there's a gap which is yet to be filled. And on the upside also there are gaps to be filled. So it could be a very interesting day tomorrow. Trade well, trade safe. Do join live as usual at 9:30. And I wish you all a great expiry tomorrow. Bye bye.